our $20. Beautiful people of God. So today I am going to be making $20 jollof rice for my family, for my lovely family. So these are things for salad. So I'm done removing the back, scraping them. So the next is to slice them. I'm done cooking this meat. I'm parboiling rice, okay? Parboiling rice. The cooking has begun. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, okay? We are cooking big pots of jollof rice. Yeah. I am going to be making $20 jollof rice for my family, for my lovely family. Okay, so if you want to know how I make this jollof rice with just $20, watch to the end, okay? To see how I make this jollof rice with just $20, okay? Stay tuned, let's dive into the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're just coming across my channel for the first time. And like this video for me, okay? You can as well share. So let the cooking begin. Right here is already cooked meat, okay? So I have this oven dried chicken too. So I will also be using this for the jollof rice, okay? So this is the pot I will be using to make the jollof rice. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be interesting. Alright, we have started the cooking. Let the cooking begin. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. So I just added salt into the oil. So now I'm gonna come in with sliced onion. I'm gonna stir together. So the next is tomatoes. I'll be adding tomatoes into it, okay, to the pot. Stir together. So I'm gonna come in with some garlic and ginger, okay? Blended garlic and ginger. three cubes and a jollof rice spices. Okay, what is there is curry, thyme, and spices. Okay, so I'll be adding them into the pot. All right, I'm gonna stir together. So I come in with my blended pepper and the stir. So I'll add small chicken stock into the pot. Okay, small chicken stock stir together. Taste for salt or any lacking ingredients. It's tasting so delicious. So I'm gonna cover together and come back later. So here I'm boiling water. So it is time to introduce already washed rice into the pot. Remember, we're cooking $20 jollof rice. So I'll be adding water. Don't mind the lightness of this, no light. And my ring light is down. Yeah. I'll add more water. So now I'll be adding this meat, oven dried chicken, and also come with some fresh one. So now I'll be adding this one. I wanna add everything. No time to shake time. No time to shake time. Okay. So I'm gonna cover and come back later. Our $20 jollof rice is getting ready. So now I wanna add this bay leaf. I'm adding bay leaf into it, okay? Yeah. I think I'm going to be reducing the heat on this light fire. I don't want this rice to burn. So I'll cover and come back. Okay, my God. So at this junction, our $20 jollof rice is ready. Bring your plates. Bring your soft drink. Bring your spoon. Let's enjoy this, okay? Slicing this salad, something. So right now, I'm about to mix them for the kids, okay? I'm about to mix this for the kids. So I want to mix it, just to mix a bit that they can finish now, okay? So I pray my son eat this one, this particular one here. This is how I call this where is it called? I have red kidney, but if I should use it, my son will not eat it. Please pardon the background noise. I am a mother. You see this my daughter, Hawala, too much. Let me do and give them food. Anybody that wants to sleep can now go and sleep, so that save me, I will rest. I think it's well mixed now. So I'm gonna dish their food out and give them so that they can allow me to rest. End it.